Alright, today we're checking the PCB boards before packaging. Do you remember the inspection process? Good or bad? No, you need to follow the standard inspection procedure. First, check for visible defects. Look here. Can you see this problem? Yeah, it's very green. No, the solder joint is missing. This is called a cold solder joint. It can cause connection failure. Oh, so this is bad? Yes. And what should we do when we find a defect? Throw it away. No, we must report it to the quality control team. You should say, I found a defect PCB. The solder joint is missing. Repeat after me. I found a board that is not happy. Defective PCB. Fine. I found a defective PCB. The solder is missing. Solder joint, not soldier. We are not at a war. Okay. I found a defective PCB. The solder joint is missing. Good. Now, what's the next step? Put it back and pretend that we didn't see it. No, we must fill out a defect report and send it for rework. So much work. Yes, but quality control is important. If we ship defective products, our customers will complain. Oh, so if we do bad work, our boss will be angry? Exactly. That's why we follow standard operating procedures, SOPs. Okay. I'll check carefully. No more lazy work. Now let's practice speaking. What are we checking today? What should we do first in the inspection process? What problem do you see on this PCB? Why is a cold solder joint a problem? What should we do when we find a defective PCB? How do we report a defect? What should we do after reporting a defect? Why is quality control important? What happens if we don't follow standard operating procedures? What is our responsibility in quality control?